What's on my Manyanga the Commissar, so long as you subscribe and the company subscription away and concoction name. When I started this YouTube thing, so analyze according to Makataku, that is totally at the law because there was no one to call them out. And we came in as YouTubers. And now, surely, there's so many artists sitting in our studio hoping that they tick all the boxes because of the standard that we have set for them. Music must keep on evolving for the better. I go without any creativity. That's why when I first heard album Angal B, Walalana Babalaza, I smiled because that's the vision that we had. You got artisting in a studio. If you got the end if you got the creative then the music could be misela. So slow in the game. If you haven't heard the album Anchor B, you can search it, it's all over. Go like a scomo take on at the platforms you got to let the military going salam music. I'm also gonna drop link yako kwala hansi famba mayingisela. After this video we'll do a review of the album, breakdown some of the songs which I think are good to an extent. They're gonna break the market. Kukuduma usually kuna by faith and kuna by dedication. Me salary one, when I listen to his album, I said surely this one is gonna break the market because we prepare winning music. Literally everything about that album is perfect. So go and listen to it. Uncle B, Balalana Babalaza. So I'll also do a review of it after you listen to it. Then along I got the second issue. So Solmagam is very smart when it comes to marketing his projects. It's very smart. And so one he tick the right boxes. He when he released that video, he knew very well that Mayengani Stankumba and Ben is gonna react. And indeed Mayengani fika pumps a stage in Africa comes at the Magatago Makeso Uri October at the Pixar. Then Solmagam the following day, what was first me open? The following day, Solmagam share poster a post Facebook fresh poster shugo Kambi Mackenzie me. Then just wanted to go and what I was just a song. And today I think he posted something about Romjala the Magadale Revonia 27 October. The very same 27 October, it been Mangano Masaweto. Everyone but along with but fans that been Wasungulin Kupuko promoter Solmagam to Spilo Kuruketelini, but engagement, yes, Solmagami Kay and Lagani, Ibaka increase. That's marketing. And I'm talking about Revonia, all our logo with Ramon, my Teva Juan, the same marriage. So Solmagam is a mastermind when it comes to using other people for free to promote him. Solmagam na binmenga na watang music offer. Surely na solias devasas. And the music wa na unge pigzan because wa beno na market li rotate ago than was soul is more listening. He knows that, but however he's using the competition card to promote. And trust me, album ya Solmagam itabana itainge solo kutlata album inkwata danga tamato mesa online liya suswan because tabakato mesa korengo na beni and the defense that had to compare money in man. Then another thing, I think we work up in Mangana Comas album, so one, and a man talking about album go honestly. Mara Ben Mangana some our album, so for sure, 100% sure album it home. And I think the album le abai preparing na Sausik is that they are now just polishing it in our Prince na Joe. I believe Prince I will November then in December go Mesa Dr. Josh Man, which I believe is a good it's a good arrangement. And this one is for Mr. Post at a disadvantage because Mr. Post was hoping he was gonna be competing with Ben Mangani in December. So that's all what I wanted to say. Go and listen to album Angle B. And then this one that I can observe ikayibona kufamba yini ihlahla yake shap shap.